Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to tell you that how I created this beautiful look. This look is very elegant, soft, perfect for the summer season, and do not looks heavy, yet it looks so stunning when you pair it with a good outfit on your eyes. And let's start. So to make it easy, I have just taken that eyelash curler and place it on your lid, and the part which is getting open in the lower section, fill that with the brown eyeshadow. Don't be precise, just fill that in and build the intensity. Do not take too much at a time because it is going to give you a trouble in blending. Take small and keep on adding. And that eyelash curler is going to give you more control on your hand and more guidance. And on the upper area I have applied some of that orange color, and you can see now I'm going to blend these two and merge it properly. So I felt like that I need some more brown, so I am just using some more brown color in the areas which are not so pigmented, which are looking sparse. And there is no right or wrong way to do your eye makeup. You just have to do it the way you feel that is right, and just it is going to turn out so beautiful. Just experiment, keep on learning. So this is very soft. This looks very elegant and soft. Just blend and diffuse the edges. And in blending, you have to be generous, you have to be patient if you really want your eye makeup to look stunning. Now for that pop of highlight in the inner corner, I'm going to use that neon pink color, and that looks so stunning in person. That is my favorite. And you can see, I don't know how much the camera captures, but that looks so great, and it immediately gives your eye a pop-up. And I felt like I need some more because I'm obsessed with this, so I've applied some more. And this is the look, you can call it done. So now I'm just applying the residual which was left in my lower lash line to just match up my upper and lower lash line. And this look is done. You can just call it done and apply some mascara. You are good to go. But today I was in a mood to apply a wing eyeliner with this, and so I'm going to be demonstrating that as well to you guys. If you don't want to apply eyeliner, it's your choice. As I said, there is no right or wrong in doing your eye makeup. So I'm just going to apply that inner wing. And I'm going to apply that outer wing as well. That has turned out so pretty, so simple, so beautiful. And I've applied some mascara and false lashes offline, and you can see this is the completed look. This looks elegant, and do let me know if you liked this. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Comment down below what you guys want to see next. Till then, be healthy, stay tuned with my channel. Bye bye.